Well, you think it's wet now, just wait. Storms expected to cause serious problems in the coming days. Thanks for joining us, everybody. I'm Richard Ransom.
And I'm Katina Rankin. We've been warning you all week of potential flooding from all the rain. And now that the second system is rolling in, we have a closer look at what's ahead. Chief Meteorologist John Bryant is in the weather studio, or in the studio, I just should say, period. What's coming, John?
All right, guys, we're in for active weather over the next 48 hours. Raining across a good bit of the area right now. If it is not raining exactly where you live, it will be, and a good bit of the evening is going to be wet. This yellow indicates some of the heavier pockets of rain. No lightning in here, that's the good news, but we are expecting showers to go on a good bit of the evening and into the overnight hours as well. And you can see it extends way back into Arkansas, so no let up anytime soon. Flash flood watch in effect from now all the way up until midnight Sunday for basically, not all, but basically almost all of the local 24 coverage area. And you don't see this very often. An enhanced risk of severe weather has already been issued. This is for Saturday now. That's Saturday, but you don't see it this far out that often. We're tracking this closely, folks. I've got information you need to know about possible severe weather coming up in a few minutes.
All right, we'll see you then. Thank you, John. Caught on camera in Mississippi, a Tupelo woman trapped inside her vehicle and rescued. Video showing her actually crawling out of her car window and into the window of a Calhoun County Sheriff's Patrol truck yesterday. Authorities are warning drivers this could happen anywhere with all the rain we've been having, so stay safe by staying away from flooded roads. Emergency management teams are preparing for the worst tonight, including the possibility of flash flooding. Local 24 News reporter Tish Clark is live in Germantown tonight, continuing our weather team coverage. So Tish, how are officials getting ready?
Okay, so Richard, well, crews say they are ready to handle whatever comes our way. You know, they're hoping for the best, but they are also preparing for the worst. Now, officials with the city of Memphis, including police and fire, Shelby County officials, MLGW, as well as the Office of Emergency Management and many others, they've been meeting all day to get updates from the National Weather Service. They just want to make sure citizens stay safe. A couple of concerns, though, okay? Listen up. Officials urge folks to turn around, don't drown. I know you guys have heard that time and time again, but don't get caught by just trying to drive through the water because you could just get trapped. So keep that in mind. They're expecting flooding in some areas, especially on roads, so avoid ponding when driving. Officials are also concerned about trees falling.
The ground is already saturated, so we could have a bunch of trees that go down, and on top of that, there's some severe weather predicted too. So we could have trees that are down by some of the winds.
All right, so we're at Germantown Fire Department on Forest Hill Irene, just off of Poplar. You know what? This is the Swift Water Rescue Team equipment right here behind me. We're going to talk to them, see what their equipment is, see how they use it, and see how they rescue folks. That's coming up tonight at 6. Be careful out there. We're live in Germantown tonight. Tish Clark, Local 24 News.